What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on NEAR because this coin is pumping like crazy for the past couple of days. So in this video I will show you if I'm currently watching here some interesting opportunities to open a trading position. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under your video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on the 4-hour chart. If you watched my previous NEAR analysis, you know that I informed you about this falling wedge. So yeah, congratulations to everybody who took this move. And right now, the price is getting to the last take profit target that I showed you in that video. And this order block is between levels 5.29 and 4.80. And in my opinion, there is pretty high probability that we are actually gonna go test the liquidity there. Doesn't mean that it's like a good idea to open a long position right now. In my opinion, definitely not, because the risk reward ratio here is not that great. And also we have here, let's say, some indicators that the, let's say, trend might get back down. So the first setup that I will show you in this video is this rising wedge, which is a bearish setup. So if there will be a breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then I think that there can be a pretty good chance of next fall down. So if you, for example, are looking here for, let's say, to open a short position, if you will wait for that breakdown and then for a resistance confirmation, then you can open here that short trade. Stop loss in that case you can put somewhere back to this rising wedge, and the last take profit target, well, you can put it above this order block, which is between levels 2.17 and 2.09 approximately, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 7.09. And if you will take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you will, for example, take here, then some of the profits here, then some of the profits here, and then here, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 5, which is still pretty good. So yeah, if you want to take some short trade here, I think this is currently one of the best setups. The other possible short setup will be valid if there will be a test of these two bearish order blocks. You can see that the RSI is currently on the level 86, so this coin is like overbought, and if there will be another retest, then the RSI will be, let's say, on the level approximately 92 to 95, yeah, something like that. To enter a short position, let's say with these bearish order blocks, there needs to be a fake out and then resistance confirmation. So if the market will look, let's say, for example, like this, and then there will be a resistance confirmation, then you can open here a short trade. Stop loss in that case you need to put above the high that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target can remain the same. You can see that the risk reward ratio in this case is not gonna be that good, and the same goes for the next bearish order block, because you can see if there will be a fake out, then the stop loss will be at least like 15.8%. and even if we will eventually hit this order block, which will be, in my opinion, not that probable if there will be that resistance confirmation, the risk reward ratio is only 3.86. So I think that the best short scenario is still valid, let's say, after the breakdown and resistance confirmation of this rising wedge on the 4-hour chart, because in these two, let's say, possible short setups, there is not that good risk reward ratio. Let's now take a look on the weekly time frame. You can see that here we broke this really important resistance area, and right now we are in the area where we have, let's say, historically almost zero liquidity, because you can see, for example, here this was like just a quick pump, and yeah, there was, let's say, some small consolidation, but still the liquidity is not that high, and yeah, it's still like here 2022. So right now from like a long term, I think there is still, let's say, higher probability that we are gonna go reach this resistance area, which is between levels 8.46 and 7.39, then for example getting back to these lower levels. So if you want to, let's say, open here a long trade, still it's a not probably good idea, because if you will put the stop loss under this previous resistance area and your take profit target below this next resistance area, then the risk reward ratio is only 1.68. So the best long scenario right now, I think, will be valid if there will be, let's say, a retest and support confirmation of this previous resistance. Stop loss in that case you can put just under this resistance area, so the stop loss will be, let's say, around 16%. Remember, this setup is on the weekly time frame, so yeah, probably trade it without the leverage. And the last take profit target you can put under this resistance area. As you can see, this resistance area is here really important. So for the price, it will be really hard to do, let's say, the breakout and support confirmation, and if it will, you can always create a, let's say, new long position after that. So in this case, the risk reward ratio is like 9.41, and if you want to open some, let's say, long-term long position on near, I think this is currently the best setup, because on the current prices there is simply not that good risk reward ratio. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Unfortunately, on this coin there is, in my opinion, not that great idea to open a long position on the lower time frames, and that's why I showed you only setup on the weekly time frame. But anyway, if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But this will be all from me for today, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.